Today we are going to learn a home remedy for bloating and gaseous distension of abdomen. Bloating is a typical condition wherein a person feels his stomach to be full even when he is not taking any food. Basically, there is an impairment in digestion. In Ayurvedic terms, there is an impairment in Pitta, which is causing low digestion power, and also there is an impairment in Vata, which is causing gaseous distension. For in this home remedy, we are taking rock salt, or also called as Saindava Lavana. Only a pinch of Saindava Lavana is required. This rock salt is digestive, carminative, and is used in many Ayurvedic home remedies. And in Ayurveda, it is told to be used daily in place of salt. So it's very important ingredient in diet. Next is Haritaki. It's also called as Terminalia chabela. It is one among Triphala and is very powerful fruit powder. It is having Tridosha balancing effect. Even the rock salt is also having Tridosha balancing effect. And Haritaki is a very rare herb having both cleansing property and also rejuvenating property. That's why Triphala powder is also used for rejuvenation. Haritaki powder eases the bowel movements and also helps to cleanse the intestines and helps to improve the digestion power also. Next, we are taking buttermilk. We have learnt in detail about buttermilk in easyayurveda.com previous articles. Please go through that. Buttermilk improves digestion and it is good for health. And especially in the night time, instead of taking curds, buttermilk is to be preferred. I also have written an article about it. Please go through it, so it will be very helpful. For this particular home remedy for bloating, we are taking a pinch of rock salt, 1 spoon of haritaki powder, and 1 glass or around 100 ml of buttermilk. So I am adding a small pinch of rock salt and a spoonful, roughly 1 to 3 grams of haritaki powder into buttermilk, and I am mixing it. So this buttermilk home remedy along with haritaki and rock salt is ready, and it is told that it should be taken at night after taking food. It is helpful in relieving gaseous distension of abdomen, bloating, and also to improve digestion power. And this buttermilk home remedy is also helpful in relieving constipation. And those who tend to visit bathroom quite often in multiple times in a day, if they take it at night once, they can clear their stomach and intestines all at once in the morning. So it's also helpful in relieving mild constipation also. Taste wise, this home remedy is slightly astringent to little salty and little bitter.